It's finally time for my empty house tour from city to suburbs. This was our apartment in the city. It was a 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, very tiny bathroom. I actually liked the cozy feel of it, but yeah, it was pretty small for a family of 4. The kitchen had lots of storage. That was nice. Here's the house we are in now. We moved probably about 7 months ago now. We have grass now, so don't worry. This house is probably 4 to 5 times the space that we had in our last 2 apartments, and it's only about $50 more a month than our first apartment in Chicago. I'll leave a link to that first apartment down in the description. But yep, it's relatively almost the same price as renting an apartment in the city center, so that's pretty interesting. This is our flex room, which is going to be the music room. We actually just got our piano delivered yesterday. If you'd like an update of all the things that we've brought into the house and furniture and all that, just leave a comment below and I'll do an update video. Probably will take a long time, as I always take forever for my videos. This is our living room. We actually basically bought the house because of the living room layout. Obi and I really love the floor-to-ceiling windows, 2-story windows. It's really nice. This is a linen closet, or storage closet. This is the powder room, which is nice to have a bathroom on the first floor. But when we get old, we're probably going to have to put a shower down there somewhere. If we stay here till we're old. We're kind of nomads. This is what we're using as our our toy room for the girls. So it's nice to have them go play in another room and have some peace and quiet. That was never an option in our apartments, as we were all kind of in the same space all the time. This is our great room, our living room, and our kitchen. It's all in one big room together, which I love. This is my favorite part of the house, the fireplace. Now that it's getting cold here, I turn it on pretty much every single night. That's some sliders out to the back patio. And our giant island here. We had a fridge delivered, I think, the next day. Lots of storage. Honestly, I have not even used up all of these cabinets. So, yeah, don't really want to either. I kind of like having extra space. This is my little office nook area. I still have not gotten an office chair, so you can imagine how productive I am being in this office space. Which maybe that's why my videos have taken this long. This is my view from the office, so if the girls are playing in there, I can still see them. This is the pantry, which we haven't had a pantry in over 2 years when this video was made, because all of our apartments were so small they didn't have pantries. In fact, I used the coat closet as a pantry in our first one. That's the coffee nook area. This is the entry from the garage. There's my lovely husband, Obi. Handsome, should I say. This is down to the basement, which we plan to finish in the future. I think it's going to be Obi's man cave. This is our 2-car garage. So nice to not have to pay for parking anymore. This is the entry closet, which you must have if you live in a cold place like here for your giant coats and boots. This is the laundry room, which is nice to have a laundry room. I don't think I've ever had a laundry room before, unless you count the laundry rooms for all of the college students. This is our master bedroom, and we have a nice view out to the pond in the back, which I love. It's nice to just now that we have curtains, we just open the curtains every day and look out there, and it's nice. There's a tray ceiling, which was an upgrade for this build. I don't know if it's necessarily worth it, but it is nice looking. This was a walk-in shower. The walk-in shower was also an upgrade, which I actually love the walk-in shower, so I think that was probably worth it. The transom window is really nice because it brings in lots of light. And honestly, the shower bench I don't really use as much as I thought I would because it's too cold to sit on. So maybe if it had like a warmer underneath it. This is our vanity space, and we had a mirror put in very late, so we were not looking at ourselves in the mirror for a long time, which could be a good thing or a bad thing, I guess. That was the linen closet. This is our massive walk-in closet, which I don't know if we'll ever use all this space, but honestly, Obi does have a lot of clothes and he loves clothes, so maybe he will use all this space. And then we have a little separate room to do business in, the porcelain throne and all that, which is nice that it has a door on it for reasons that everyone knows. So this is our bathroom space, which is pretty large. It's like a mini apartment by itself. This is the girls' bedroom, which is really close to our bedroom. And they've been sleeping in the same room with us for quite a while. Probably, I guess both of them since they were born have slept in the same room with us. And now they're sleeping in a separate room, which I wasn't sure how that would go, but it seems to be fine so far. But they usually do get up around 2 or 3 a.m. and come and get in our bed with us. So they still do sleep with us for like half the night, which is fine. Sometimes Rosen will stay in her bed the whole night, but that's a different story. I love how you can see over the ledge here and look down to the living room or to the front entry. It's really nice. And this is our guest room. So far since we've moved in, we have had only, two people stay in our guest room? 3 people? But I plan to have a lot more, with everything kind of getting back to normal, with the COVID stuff and everything. And I don't know, I just feel like people are going to start visiting more and more, and I'm really excited to have people over. I love hosting. We're having people over for Christmas. Obi's family's coming. I'm so pumped. Like, I can't even tell you how excited I am. This is the guest bathroom / girls bathroom. And this one came with a mirror and the other one didn't. Who knows why. But they had the option to put 2 sinks in, but I actually just wanted 1 sink because it made more counter space. And since I have 2 girls, I know, as they get older, even now, they have a lot of hair products. And, when they get older, they'll probably get makeup and all that. So it's nice to have more counter space. And this is the look from upstairs to downstairs. That was Obi. I think he was turning on the fireplace because he was cold. This is the linen closet. It's nice to have those. I always love storage because I don't like looking at clutter. And this room originally was going to be a guest room, and downstairs was going to be Obi's office, but he wanted to use this as his office because it does have the nice view to the pond. So I think he's been enjoying having an office space without kids' noise right next to him, which is how it has been for the past 2.5 years or whatever. So I'm sure he's getting more work done now. And that was Obi. And now we're going down the stairs, and this is the railing that was an upgrade also. Fireplace and the railing were both upgrades. We didn't do railing on the top part. For one reason is it was very expensive, and the second reason is we didn't want the kids to be throwing things through the railing. These are pictures from when we bought the land. We were really excited. They just had walled it off. This is when they poured the concrete for the base. We had to wait for about a month after they poured this for it to cure. So that was, oh man, I was so impatient at that time. But once it cured, the building process was super fast. So I don't know how long it was start to finish, but after the concrete cured, it was super fast. And that was just some pictures we took during the building process. But yeah, we're pretty happy with the way it all turned out. And this is a video of the girls running around enjoying the space. They love it. But honestly, I don't think kids really care if you live in a small place or a big place. They just want to have fun. They just want to be kids. So 200 feet or 20,000 square feet, they don't care. They're happy. This is the girls helping us move. They were so cute helping us move. I will always love these videos. They're actually really helpful, to be honest. Ooh, careful. They were just helping us carry everything. Obi has a back brace on, so you can see he's pretty much doing all the work. I promise I did help him. I didn't just video the whole time. This is Rosalind trying to carry her mattress down the stairs. Oh, I told her to just wait for us. Mommy and Daddy would carry it for her. And this is Amara trying to leave the house without her shoes on. Oh man, they're so cute. They're growing up so fast. But yeah, we took one U-Haul, the U-Haul you see over there, one trip with a U-Haul, and maybe a couple of trips with the car, and that was it. That was our entire apartment. This is Obi being pumped about how much he's moving. He said, "Look at all this that I moved by myself," which he didn't move by himself, by the way, but he did most of it. He's a rock star. Well, we just finished moving a bunch of stuff out of this U-Haul into our garage. And our kids are sleeping. Oh gosh, Rosalind looks so uncomfortable. But yeah, we got a bunch of stuff in there. Pretty much our entire apartment will fit in half of our garage here. So that's awesome. But now we're gonna return our U-Haul and we're going to find some food because we're all hungry. So now we're returning our U-Haul, and then after that we went to get some food. And yeah, I don't recommend moving all your stuff yourself. We've always done it because we are cheapskates. But if you can hire someone to move stuff for you, that would be awesome. I love these pictures. The girls are so cute. They were so little. Oh, they grow up too fast. This is a trail. It goes to like a little park over there. So we have a park super close to our house, which is so nice. Look how little she was. Oh, they're so cute. But there is a little pond over there that I was worried about. This is Rosalind. She's saying, "Stop! Be careful. There's water over there." He's so cute.